Are your Facebook Watch Video icon tab missing or not available in your Facebook app? Facebook Watch Video icon tab is a shortcut in the top bar of Facebook. It is for watching videos in the Facebook app. Many Facebook users have reported that the play button icon is disappeared or missing from the tab and unable to watching Facebook videos. Facebook add its watch icon in the shortcuts bar. You can simply tap on it and enjoy watch videos. If the watch video icon in the shortcuts bar or tab is missing or not showing, then in this video, I will show you the easy steps to fix the issue with the watch icon tab on the Facebook app. So, let us start. Step 1. Add watch icon to Facebook shortcut bar manually. Open the Facebook app, then tap the menu icon at the top right. Now tap Settings and Privacy. Then Settings. Get to the very bottom of the settings page and tap the shortcuts bar. Under the shortcuts bar preferences, enable the toggle next to the video home option. Now you need to close and reopen the Facebook app, and the watch video icon will be there in the shortcuts bar. If the Facebook watch icon missing or not available, then try the next step. Step 2. Update your Facebook app. Updating your Facebook app sometimes fixes lots of problems automatically. So, go ahead and open the Play Store app on Android and App Store on iOS devices. Then search for Facebook, and if there is any update, this will fix the watch icon missing problem in your Facebook app. Step 3. Clear Facebook app data. If you updated your Facebook application and still the watch icon is missing, go to Settings on your phone. Then Apps. Find and tap the Facebook app. Then tap the Storage option. Tap on Clear Data and Cache button. Once done, open your Facebook app and the watch icon must be there. Step 4. Install a fresh Facebook app. If none of the above works, bring back the missing watch icon in the Facebook app. Then try deleting your Facebook app. Open up the Play Store or App Store and uninstall and reinstall a fresh copy of the Facebook app. Log in to your Facebook account and the watch icon must be there in the app. If none of the above works, bring back the missing watch icon in the Facebook app. Then you need to report the issue to Facebook Help Center. I hope this video will help you fix Facebook Watch Video icon tab missing or not available in your Facebook app. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.